What is up, everybody? Logan here again with the nightly watch list. Today is October 7th, 2020. What a day! Another green day after recovered from yesterday's sell off. My long term portfolio was up four figures again, so I was pumped. What a day! I did a quick $40 scalp in 4 minutes on Beyond this morning. I'll talk about that more this weekend. I'm going to make a more in depth video, but I want to give a shout out to Wolf-Theta-Gang for this call out. He went 7 for 7 on his plays today, and I thought I'd give that an honorable mention. He deserves it. So shout out Wolf-Theta-Gang for that. The first week of October is usually tough, but quarter four is the best quarter historically. Pence and Harris have the debate tonight, so let's see how the futures react today into tomorrow. And I did not add any new swings because of this. AMD's event, the Zen 3 event, starts tomorrow, so let's see the volume that we get from them in the morning, and we could see if any new positions or day trades or anything like that can happen. Maybe potential swing into Friday, but what's really caught my attention this week is Lululemon, and I'm looking to enter a position here shortly on them, whether I grab shares or I grab options. I'm really excited to see their movement, and I like this continuation pattern setup. It's got a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So like I said, I always alert my trading team when I make this entry, so no worries there. But I just like them. I looked at their charts. They have that continuation pattern forming, and I think we'll see a continuation with it. And I'm really excited. I think we have a pretty good solid amount of point movement. If you look at the September charts and their all-time high on September 4th and then selling off to where they are now. So that's what I'm going to keep my eye on is LULU, but that's definitely the stock right now with my most interest going on right now. I like SPY too. Like I said, it rebounded pretty well. I'm going to continue to monitor it as the beaten downs had another successful day. DPST was up again today. A lot of the other stocks that I've been watching, a lot of my long-term REITs were up again today. So it was just a really, really nice day with a really nice return. So I was really excited, and I was really happy with the quick scalp this morning too. Like I said, I have that SPY credit as well that I'll talk about in a little bit. But SPY I'm going to continue to watch just because there is so much movement that's been going on, and it's at key points. So I'm really excited to continue to watch it. But like I said, I'm pretty bullish still. Beyond. So yep, let's talk about Beyond because it broke to new highs for the year again today, and it continues to push ahead. Like I said, there was a Beyond call I was looking at entering on Monday. I was going to secure profits way sooner, but it was only $300. That's worth about $2,500 right now. So it's really cool to see, and it continued to perform. The sell-off barely affected them. They're my new favorite stock out there, them and Lulu. And I think we'll see it back to $215 per share in no time. And it has room to run. It's been running. Like Beyond is definitely the most bullish stock I think out there. That and Lulu. So those are like my two favorite. And like I said, I've been playing them. So I'm excited, and I'll be looking for a Lulu entry. But my current play right now is that 329, 326 SPY credit spread. And I was down on it yesterday. Well, today I'm up 65%. So that's good. It had a really crazy return today of like 130% or something like that. I'd have to go and check my phone, but it expires this Friday. SPY needs to finish above 329 for me to make cash on it, and I will get a 100% return if that's the case. And then of course you need a lot of collateral for these credit spreads, but they're a great way to stomach any volatility. So that's one of my successful ways that I've been trading. I have my long-term stocks, which are the majority, which gain a lot of value every day. Depends on the day, of course, but then I have my scalp trades that I do where I'm in and out in a couple of minutes and I can make pretty solid money. And then I have my credit spread going to where I'm looking at a 100% return by Friday on my position. So it really seems like I'm making a lot smarter decisions during this time of volatility, right? Because something like that sell-off that we saw yesterday, who knows if that could happen again or what we have coming up. It's Thursday tomorrow, and then we're into Friday already. So that's the other thing, too, that I wanted to touch on. And it's just like you can really still make good money like you were in September and August. Well, not as much September, but more August. You can continue to make good money like August was, and it can help you out a lot. And I think it's a great way to stomach volatility, and you don't have to watch the market 24/7. Unless you love to do that, then that's great. But here's another way to do it to where you just kind of let your position hang out, and that it is what it is. But yes, credits, and my little spiel for the day is on credit spreads. They have been a blessing. Everybody's hopes are up now. I think a lot of people's portfolios have recovered from where they were. September was tough, but we're already back on the uptrend from what I see. So it's just nice, man, to make money throughout the day. Like every day I log in, I have a little bit more money just because we're getting closer to expiration. So those contracts are losing value, and that's how I make my money on them. So it's seriously like less risk than I anticipated too. And like I said, I can go about my day and not have to watch the market all the time. So I can spend time researching other stocks instead of just managing my positions, right? Because you don't want to have too many going, you don't want to overtrade, and you want to continue to be smart and make good plays. And that's what's led me to be so successful this week so far as a trader. So I was really excited, and I'm just really happy that this week's been solid so far. And I'm excited to get more into spreads tomorrow and then more into next week as well. So we just got to check with the collateral. I'm going to be looking into debit spreads as well. So I'm just really curious to see what we got going on. But that's going to be it for me, guys. Your support means a ton to me. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. I got another cool video coming out tomorrow for my watch list. And then this weekend, I'll be dropping a good old classic video where I sit in front of my camera and then kind of talk about my scalp, what I saw, why I entered on the charts, and how Wolf-Theta, confirmed it for me, made a great call out there. And it really felt great. And watching the stock develop and everything like that has just been a blessing. So I want to thank you guys for that. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to join the Discord. We also have the premium Discord if you want my live call outs. So check those out. But that's going to be it for me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week trading, and I will see you guys tomorrow and in the Discord. So see you guys.